What's going on, guys? John with the ProCut, back with another unboxing install video from one of my partners that I work with on YouTube. They sent me a new product, and what it is a caged farmhouse style ceiling fan. And so you can see this room is decorated sort of farmhouse style with the metal bed frame and whatnot. And so what we're going to do is swap out this ceiling fan with the new one. And let's get it out of the box and see what it looks like. So it's packaged pretty well, as you would expect. Styrofoam. And then it's also in a plastic bag. And you can see it's a black steel cage and it's got a clear fan. So the first thing you're going to do is remove the old fan. This one has a ring around it, so we'll loosen that, and then 2 screws on this side and 2 screws on the other side. So the screw that's in the hole, take all the way out, and then the other one is slotted, so you're just going to loosen that one, but leave it in there to hold the fan up. Alright, I'm going to kick my shoes off so I can go to this side. Same thing, the one with the hole in it. Take all the way out, and then loosen the other one. Alright, taller ladder. Maybe I can see something now. Alright, now on our new fan, got our mount here. So, alright, so all the screws are already loose on it and there's no holes, they're all slots. So we take that off, and that's the bit that goes into the ceiling. So all we've got is, just the common or neutral hot line and a ground. Alright, so let's get this up onto the ceiling. Okay, so now with the old fan down out of the way, we can go ahead and put our new bracket in place. Now, make sure that if you have a second hot wire, which is typically going to be red, you're not going to be using that, so you want to go ahead and make sure that the end is secured so you don't ground it out on anything, and then go ahead and just put that one into the box. Now for this one, we're going to need 4 light bulbs with the smaller housing, like the candelabra style ones. Now I'm going to take and put my ground wire around that screw. When I tighten it down, it tightens that wire down with it. Okay, now that ground wire is secure enough to hold the fan in place while you get your other wires together. So black to black, white to white, and then we need to make sure everything is going to be flush enough in here to mount this, and then tie our ground wires together as well. Always want to make sure you get a good connection. Okay, now with all them into place, we can go ahead and tighten those screws down. It helps to have a nice long extension on your driver so you can clear all the fan housing. And then for the last one, I just need to pop over here onto the bed. All right, so now we've got our small light bulbs. So we can go ahead and reach in through the cage, put our light bulbs into place. There we go. Now we can test it. And now the new fan is now installed. It's got the remote, and we took and just used some two-side tape to put the remote holder next to the door. Now, one of these switches is a dead switch now. That was for our red wire. And then this one is our hot one, but you could just leave that turned on now since you have the remote. So on the remote, you've got your low, medium, high, and stop for your fan, as well as a timer for the fan, 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour, and 8 hour. And then you have your light switch in the middle, and push it again to turn it off. And then there's a stop button for the fan as well. Now, if you're interested in this fan, there'll be a link in the description where you can go get yours. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and if you found this super helpful, hit that super thanks. Have a great day. God bless.